Hello everyone, my name is Jamin. Thanks so much for visiting my channel. In this video, I have a Dell Inspiron 16 Plus, the 7640 model. I'm going to show you how to get inside, access your battery. So first thing, power down your computer through the start menu. Make sure it's off and unplugged from your charger. We're then going to flip it over to access our bottom case screws. Now this bottom case has 8 screws. 2 of the screws near the green arrows, those screws stay in the case. The other ones will fully come out, but those screws stay in. They will lift the case up a little bit, making it easier for us to take that case off. Once you get those screws out, you're going to take your small flat plastic pry tool and insert it here in the rear next to the hinge assemblies. You're going to pop this side of the bottom case up first and then work your way down both sides and then do this edge last. Make sure not to put your pry tool too far in. You could damage some internal components. Just keep it on the edge, go nice and slow but firm, and you'll be able to take that bottom case off. Once you do, this is what you're looking at for the inside of your computer. Now, as a computer repair side note, whenever I'm working on a computer in my shop, it's sitting on an anti-static mat. Either that or an anti-static bracelet are great ideas to avoid damaging anything in your computer when you're working on it. If you would like help with tools or supplies for your computer project, as well as any replacement or upgrade parts for this specific model computer, I will have a link above, also below in the description, and that will be a list of all those tools, supplies, and replacement parts for this model computer. This is your battery right down here along the bottom of my screen. It's held in by 6 screws shown by the red arrows, and it plugs into the motherboard right here near the green arrow. Now this battery in this computer is the largest battery that's supported by this model. It's a 90 watt hour battery, 11.7 volts. I will have a replacement option for this below in the description in that link I told you about with all of the replacement and upgrade parts for this model computer. There are several CPU versions to this model, however, and they all take different size batteries. So below in the description, I will have the full battery specs for this computer so you know which battery your computer takes if you're looking for a replacement. To unplug the battery from the motherboard, it's usually best not to pull on wires or cables in a computer. You could damage them or you could pull them right out of the plug. So it's generally best to just manipulate the plug itself. This one did have grips on either side that you could grip with your fingernails or a pry tool to remove. But because it was so close to the battery, I did have to unscrew all the screws first, lift the battery up a little bit and out so I could get some room to wiggle that plug out of that port. And I guess the last thing to mention about this kind of an operation, if you are here because your computer's not turning on, keep in mind that most laptops should still turn on and work with a bad battery as long as the charger's plugged in. So if your computer is not turning on at all, there may be something else wrong than just a bad battery. I will have a troubleshooting video link above, also below in the description, and that will show you the full troubleshooting process I use in my shop when a laptop's not turning on so I can find the cause and how to fix it. If you would like to see some other things that you can upgrade in this computer, check out the video that I'll play at the end of this one. It'll show you how to upgrade your storage. But thanks so much for watching, guys. I look forward to seeing you in my next video.